boys and girls, this is Miss Gross and Mrs. White, and we're here today to give you our numbers lessons. And today we will be reviewing number 7, number 8, and number 9.
All right, so the first thing we're going to look at is the word form of the number, and Miss Gross has those. Which one do you think should go on number 7? What sound does 7 start with?
All right, if you said S, you are correct. That will be the letter S. So hard to teach with these math.
I know.
That
Very
word
good.
spells the number 7.
All right, how about 8? What do you hear at the beginning of number 8? That one's tricky, Miss Gross.
I know. Well, the first thing we can think about is saying as an 8, and then know that that has a short vowel sound to it too. Did you know that, Miss White?
Yes, I did.
All right, so let's see. What do you think, Miss White? Did I get it right?
That looks good to me.
Well, someone crooked. Miss Gross will get it. All right, there we go. And that's the word
Yay.
form 8. Good job, guys.
All right, the last one we have is number 9. Can you listen for the beginning sound in 9?
That
And Miss
makes
Gross
the
has
letter.
9.
There we go. And N is the letter N.
Okay, the next thing we're going to look at are the dominoes that match the numbers. So let's look at this domino first. Let's count how many dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which poster should this domino go on?
I think 8, Miss White.
Now, Miss Gross, how many dots did we count?
Oh, can I count again?
Count again.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. I got it now.
So this goes
7.
on which poster? Put it in the right spot.
Yay, 7.
Yay!
Good job, guys.
All right, here's our next domino. See this one? Let's turn it this way and let's count. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this one is going to go on which poster?
9.
9.
Very good.
And then finally, we have one domino left. Can you guess which poster it's going to go on? I bet you can. Let's count the dots and double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you guess this was going to go on poster number 8? You were right if you
Good
did.
job. Good job, guys.
Nice.
For dominoes.
Yay!
All right.
All right.
Okay. So since you guys are always number 1 if you're at Monrovia Elementary School, we talked about the finger motions last week when we talked about holding up your number of fingers to count. So in this one, we'll start, and this is our number hands here. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, Miss White, where is 7 at?
Okay, this goes on poster number 7.
Okay, so hold on. So
Right?
here's a way to check, boys and girls. If you see where you've already got your 7 or your dominoes, all Miss White has to do is count the dominoes and see if they match. Do they match, Miss White?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No,
so they
that's
don't
not
match.
7.
That's
This
the
must
7.
be 7.
Very good. So you see how you can check, boys and girls? Once you've already done one line of counting, Counting is easy when you have to match, but there's a lot of ways that you can match the numbers with items and objects, okay? Now here's our other set of hands. Remember, if you're holding up 5, we know that that's our easy number 5, and when you learn how to add, you'll be able to add these a little quicker than this. So you have 5 here, 6, 7, 8. Let's see if Miss White can remember where 8 is.
I know where 8 is, Miss Gross. It's right here.
Very good. Nice work. And all right, boys and girls, you have this last one left. So we know we've already done 7. We've already done 8. Then our last hands are for number 9. And I will place that right there.
Very good.
All right, good job, guys.
Nice job. Okay, we're going to look at tally marks. And remember the special thing I told you about tally marks last week? When you have the tally mark that's diagonal across a group, this stands for 5 tally marks. Now I'm going to cover these up, and let's count these and make sure there really are 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when I see that diagonal line, I don't need to count 5. I know there are 5 there. So instead of counting all 5 of these, I'm just going to start with 5 and count up. So I have 5, 6, 7. Which poster is this going to go on?
Okay. And because I'm already good with all the numbers, because I've had 3 opportunities for 7, 3 for number 8, and 3 ways to start number 9, I know number 7 is right here. There we go.
Okay, let's look at these tally marks. Now, how many do we have right here? What does this diagonal line tell me? I have 5 tally marks. So let's start at 5 and then we're going to count up. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 tally marks on this circle. So it goes on which chart?
All right. So if I go here, but I need to double check. So I want to just double check. So I know that this is a 5 automatically. 9 is over here.
That's
this will
right.
be my 9.
Okay. Let's look at this one. How many am I going to start with by counting this group all at once? I have 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can also compare this to the hands. This would be like one hand out and 3 fingers, right? So this one is 8 because we're going to find, we've counted the marks, and we're going to match it to the one where the hands look very similar. So we have 8. This goes on number 8.
Very good. Good job, guys. Very good. Okay. So then you have your colored dots. Now in your bag, in your math bag, we supplied you with these. So if you have time, you can go get them and you can count along with us, okay? All right, so Miss White, we're talking about having these. So just say, I like a lot of those. So I'm going to say here, what's the difference between how to count these? Is there an easier way to learn how to do this?
Well, I can group how many red ones I have and how many yellow ones I have.
That's an excellent answer. So you can always group by the color. So you know the top part is 5 and or at the bottom has something lower. So you can always see if they match. So I'm off by 1. So that's going to show me I have more red than I do yellow. But because we just want to know where to place them, we're going to count them one by one this time, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's like, where would the 9 go?
This one, you said it had 1 less than the top row, so I know this one I had one less finger out than the whole hand, so I'm going to put it right here.
Excellent, excellent choice. Very good. Okay, again, so we have another set. I also see where they're not matching, they're not equal, and I know I have one more than that. But because we're learning how to count, boys and girls, we're going to count them one by one until we start seeing a pattern, which will be in the next lessons as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 goes right here.
And that is correct. Now, the first two, they didn't match each other, right? They weren't as equal. What do you think about this one now?
They're even.
They are even. They are. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8. And that's for our students that are already skip counting on us. But if you don't know how to skip count, they are equally the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you have your red and yellow counters, you can count along with us. And when you get this, when you come to school, you can match it up to see if you have counted correctly. And this is the equal 8. We'll put that right.
All right, now we're going to look at some 10 frames. And looking at our 10 frames, last week we talked about when the top row is full, there are 5 dots on the 10 frame. So I don't need to count these, just like I don't need to count my fingers to know I have 5, right? It's the same way with the 10 frame. So I have 5, and then I'm going to keep counting. 6, 7, 8. So this one is going to go on which poster, boys and girls?
8.
Number 8.
Very good. And there's our 8.
Okay, here's another 10 frame that has the top row full. How much is the top row worth? Did you say 5? You're right. So let's count. We have 5. Let's count on. 6, 7. So this one goes on poster number 7. And then let's look at this one, boys and girls. It's almost full. I have a full top row, which means I have 5, and I'm 1 away from filling up my 10 frame. Now, if my 10 frame was full, I should have 10. Do you know what's 1 less than 10? Well, let's count and see. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is 1 away from 10. So this one is going to go on our 9s poster.
We're almost done, Miss
Oh
White.
my goodness!
Y'all have done an excellent job, and I think these stars should be a round of applause.
Yay!
Yay! So you guys have all earned all these yellow gold stars, but to make it an awesome activity, let's just count them away very quickly as a review, and we'll know where Miss White needs to put the gold stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see, Miss Girl, 2, 4, 6. Yeah, one more, and 8. I'm sorry, guys. All right, Miss White, let's go.
All right,
8
this
stars
goes
here.
on poster number 8.
Yay! It's done. All right, here's our another set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job.
All right, this goes on poster number 7. And it is now complete.
Yay! All right, guys, so this is the lucky number what? Let's back it up and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yay! poster 9 is done, guys. You have just did a great job with number 7, 8, and 9. Good job, Miss White.
Excellent job, Miss Gross.
Yay. High five. Air five.
Air high fives.
Yay. All right, boys and girls. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.